Welcome back to Salewise tutorials. So in this episode we're going to walk you through on how to complete a repair or job. For that, let's create a sample repair. So we're going to select customer, search for customer. Let's say we're going to create the repair under James. Click on repairs. We're going to create a new job. iPhone display change. Give a job a name. Gonna give a serial number. It's not really needed, so we can opt out if it's totally optional. We're gonna collect a deposit of £100 and cash, and with an estimated repair cost or job cost of £300. We're gonna put the job location in store, status in progress, and type as repair. So let's say we're gonna give it today by 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so now we're going to create a job. Now the job is created, we can close it. So we're going to select the customer again, James. We're going to go for repairs, and we can see the job we already created, or you can search for the job. Then after that you have to click on manage to manage the job. And you can click on checkout to complete the job. So if you click on checkout now, you need to assign, you have to assign at least one technician or staff to the job. To assign a technician, we're going to click on assign technician, and we're going to assign Janet for this job. And you can see the timeline gets updated and Janet is already here. Now after staff is assigned, or you can go ahead and check out the job. So for that you can click on checkout, and you can click on, since it's a display, we change the display, we're gonna select a display from the inventory. We're gonna add it to the list. So you can see the display is already added. So if you go back, you can see the timeline gets updated when an item is added to the cart for repair. So you can see who added it, from which terminal, and which date, and everything. So we're gonna go check out again, and we're gonna let's say sometimes you need to add your repair fee, like there will be like a service charge or something, like a fee. So to add a fee, you can click on discount plus fee, and let's say we're gonna add a fee of fixed type. You can add like a percentage or fixed. And let's say we're going to add a fee for £50. That's a repair cost, repair service charge. It's totally optional. Reason is totally optional. It's for reference. Then you can click on update total. Now you can see £300 is our item cost, and we're going to add a flat fee of £50, and the total amount is $350. Now if you try to check out, you can already see the deposit we collected while creating the job already here as a payment method. Now since 350 is the total amount and 250 is £100 is already taken from the deposit, the balance is 250. So we're gonna add, the customer is gonna pay us the £250 pending using card. We're gonna add that payment. Now we don't have any balance to give, so everything is good. And to complete it, click on pay. Since it's a card payment, it asks for a confirmation. Click on yes. Now the service is completed. Now we can print the invoice. So once this is how you complete a job, but you still have to wait for the customer to come and collect the device once it's completed. So let's say James came in tomorrow to collect the device, but you have to mark in the system it's collected. For that, you select James profile. So we're gonna go to customer, click on search customer, then we're gonna search for James, who is our customer for that particular repair. We're gonna select him, and we're gonna click on repairs, and we can click on manage, or you can go to repair reports and do the same thing, and you can search for the repair ID, that's job ID, that's 1003, which is our client. James is our client. We can click on manage. It's the same thing. So to update the status as collected, you can click on update status. Then you can select the status from the drop down, collected, and click OK. Now the status is collected, and we know James has the the job is completed and James has collected the device from the store. So that's how we complete a repair or job.